What's the best strategy to scale Amazon ads without losing profitability? Zoom out for clarity and understand what makes you money and what takes away money. Simplest way I can explain this to you. Reason for that is because I just had this conversation with one of the brands that we're managing, and they are great. They have a great operator in place, and they were like, hey, Noemi, if we're going to double down on ads and we're going to double the ad spend, is that something that we should be doing in order to generate more revenue? And even the question that they are asking, while seems to be, hey, that's normal for you to ask, they're not even asking, hey, are we profitable for our best-selling product? I'm not sure if they know. I mean, we know because we are making sure that they are profitable and that's the product that we're spending most of our ad spend, but they don't know that. So what I feel it's usually happening when it comes down to scaling Amazon PPC without losing profitability is first off, understand where does the money go? Because if you're investing on a product where your profit margin is negative, and if it's not in a strategic way, if you don't want to gain additional market share, if it's not a product launch, if you don't want to make more money on that product, what you're doing, you're literally losing product. So I'm not talking about moving inventory because of old age or just getting rid of inventory. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about, hey, this is a good product. Let's maximize our sales and our spend on something that works well. It seems to be so logical and it seems to be so easy. Yet, even the big brands that we manage, and these are brands that are making millions in years. So that's why I'm saying just focus on something that works and make sure that you're going to optimize that at its best. Once that you figured out the strategy, you're going to take the same strategy and apply it to the rest of the products.